It's your girl, the Real James Anna. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. And if you are new to this channel, comment down below, subscribe, like this video, and hit that notification bell for when I upload videos every Wednesday at 5 o'clock. So guess what I'm doing today? I'm cooking crab legs, y'all. I'm cooking crab legs Charleston style. And I'm going to show you how I cook my crab legs Charleston style. So stay tuned. All right, first things first, get all the ingredients that you're going to use. Now, we're cooking crab legs today. So, I got my crab legs, I got my pot with some water in it. You can use water or you can use beer. Now, if you're going to use water, steam cook crab legs, okay? Not water cook crab legs. So, don't have your pot, don't have water all the way full up to the top in your pot, because that's a pet peeve of mine. That's all you need right there. So, I got some corn, I got some potatoes, I got some sausage, I got some shrimp. It doesn't matter what kind of shrimp, it doesn't matter the brand. I got some lobster tails, and I got some eggs, and I also got some mussels that I'm gonna put in the pot. All right, so I got my pot over here. I got my stove turned on. I'm gonna go ahead and put some Old Bay in the pot, because this is the seasoning that I'm using. Got some Old Bay in here. Now you can use any type of seasoning you want to use to your liking, however you want to cook, your seafood. All right, so I got my corn right here. I got my sausage cut. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my potatoes so I can add that to the pot. Now, the pot, I'm gonna go ahead and wait on this to come to a boil before I add my crab legs and the rest of the stuff that I'm gonna add in with my crab legs. All right, so I got my pot. I got my water in the pot with my Old Bay in it. And I brought it to a boil. Got my potatoes in here boiling. So now I'm about to start to add the other stuff in the pot, like the corn, the shrimp, the sausage, the crab legs, mussels. Old Bay on the top of my crab legs because I like it to like soak through with the seasoning, and it'll get on the rest of the seafood, like the mussels and the lobster tails and the corn and the eggs and the shrimp. I got everything in the pot. Everything's boiling and steaming and everything. So make sure you cover your pot. Let everything in there steam for about anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes, and then you'll be done. Okay, so now that I got my seafood in the pot and it's about ready, I'm about to go ahead and make my famous ranch garlic. Okay, so I got my famous ranch garlic right here from A Taste of Charleston Seafood, as well as the dipping sauce that comes with A Taste of Charleston Seafood. This is how it looks. And yeah, I need to take a picture of the thumbnail. Well, that's it on how you make crab legs Charleston style. Oh, I want to tell y'all guys, this video is sponsored by A Taste of Charleston Seafood. So go like their Facebook page, and I'll leave the information on the description box down below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, and hit that notification bell to get notifications when I upload videos every Wednesday at 5 o'clock. Peace. Yeah.